What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but believe it or not, I'm still recovering from my shoulder injury. I got too excited at the gym and ended up re-injuring it, so now I'm back to physical therapy. However, that didn't stop me from trying to ride, so recently I was able to get out to Eagles Canyon Raceway, which is, by the way, the best racetrack in Texas, with my KTM 450 Supermoto. So you heard that right, this is my 450 Supermoto on track, on the big track. The bike is pretty much virtually stock minus two things. I installed a Brembo RCS15 master cylinder, and because it's a much bigger racetrack than a go-kart track, I tried reducing the rear sprocket by minus 8 teeth. So stock is 1446, today I ran a 1438. Aside from that, the bike is bone stock, even the tires, and I don't have tire warmers, so we just warmed it up the old-fashioned way. Hope you enjoy a few laps. hope you all enjoyed that. As you can see, the custom lap timer bracket lost a screw or two, and I really didn't want to lose my lap timer out there. I was starting to find a bit better pace and feeling more comfortable. I really wanted to get a 2:15 for the day, but I think that's alright. I was pretty happy with it being my only second time at ECR and on a pretty stock Supermoto. Top speed FY was 107 miles an hour. I think if you were to track a Supermoto seriously on the big track, I'd do a few things. One, I definitely looking at getting better front suspension. The stock air forks are definitely not meant for this kind of speed. You can really feel the front chattering mid-corner, and it gets a bit spooky. Two, if there was a way, I'd raise the pegs so you can get, just more clearance. Several times I was dragging the pegs, and that got pretty uncomfortable as well. Three, probably get some tire warmers and some new tires. And the last thing would be, I think the recommended gearing is actually a 15 tooth on the front, but when we mocked it up with a 15 tooth, it ran into the chain guard. So it turns out you just have to use a Dremel to cut it out and make it fit. So maybe if I go back out to the big track with the Sumo again, I'll make those changes and report back on how that goes. All right, I hope you guys had fun today. I'll be back and I'll see you guys in the next video.